Want to double your sales effortlessly? Imagine turning your single courses into irresistible bundles that students can't say no to. Academy LMS makes creating course bundles a breeze. Create course bundles with Academy LMS to earn 2x more. First, go to the settings page and ensure that an e-commerce engine is activated. Here, I am using WooCommerce as the e-commerce engine. Before proceeding, make sure the WooCommerce plugin is activated. Then, go to the add-ons page to activate the WooCommerce add-ons as well. Now, return to the e-commerce engine section. Set WooCommerce as your e-commerce engine and save the settings. Make sure you have some paid courses to create a bundle. Next, navigate to the add-ons section once more. Search for the course bundle add-on and activate it. Once activated, click on the settings icon. Click on Add New Bundle to start creating your first course bundle. Set a title for your bundled course and write a compelling description that highlights its value. Don't forget to upload a stunning feature image to make it visually appealing. Now, pick all the courses you want to include in your bundle. One by one, add them to create the perfect package. Next, select the WooCommerce product that matches your bundle title. Set an attractive sale price for the bundle and customize the discount badge to grab attention. Lastly, hit the Add Bundle button and you're done. It's that simple to create an amazing course bundle. Click on the preview icon from the course bundle list to see how your bundle looks. And voila! Here's the preview of your professionally created course bundle. With Academy LMS, bundling courses is easy. Start today and boost your earnings. Thanks for watching.